Many people ask me questions about the imaginal acts. They know an imaginal act, if persisted in, will bring them results. They mainly ask me to validate their imaginal acts. They ask me if I am creating an accurate scene or not. Also, some people ask me what imaginal acts they should do to bring their desires into their physical reality. So, if you are someone who also experiences this, then this video is definitely for you. In this video, I will tell you the main components that are to be considered when creating an imaginary scene for your next visualization session or guided meditation session. When it comes to creating an imagined act, the first thing that is to be considered is it something that you would be comfortable experiencing. There are many people who have different desires. Even in your family, the people you stay with have different desires. Even if you and your friend both want to find the partner of your dreams, your desires are similar but not the same. The way you look at the qualities that your partner should possess will be different as compared to your friend. Your friend might be an extrovert who can kiss their partner in front of 1,000 people at a concert and get the results they want while using this imaginary act. But it does not mean that anyone else will get the same results doing this. It does not mean that you will get to kiss the partner of your dreams in front of 1,000 people. You may be an introvert who is shy and needs a private space to perform this act. So, imagining this scene won't be comfortable for you. It will always create this unwanted feeling that would not be as smooth as employing another scene. Maybe you feel comfortable kissing your dream partner in your bedroom. Maybe you feel romantic when it rains, and your imaginary acts consist of kissing your partner in a room when it is raining. This scene would be far better for you than kissing your partner in front of the crowd. It would be effortless for you because you hold many assumptions that would be in favor of this imaginary act of kissing in private. If you heard that using this scene of kissing your partner in a crowd gave 2 of your friends results and you are thinking that I would do the same and get the results, then you might be able to get them, but it won't be as smooth a process as it was for your friends because you are not comfortable with it. The main word on which you must concentrate is comfort. Are you comfortable with it? If yes, then that is your imagined scenario that will give you results quickly and effortlessly. Whenever you think of having your desire, your mind will automatically present you with the scenes that you are comfortable with. If you are not a person who actively goes to bars, but you are a person who goes to the gym, then your mind would automatically suggest that you meet your partner at the gym instead of the bar. The comfort spot for you is the gym and not the bar. Now that you have understood this, let's move on to the next component when it comes to creating the imaginal scene. The next thing that you have to keep in mind, would it be natural for you to experience this scene if you were having your desire? The question you have to ask is about naturalness. Suppose you want to manifest friendship with some person. Would you imagine playing with their private parts or having a coffee and a lovely conversation with them? I know you get my point. What would be the natural course of action? Would it be eating dinner in the restaurant or eating each other in the bedroom? So, always remember that your imagined scene should be natural to your circumstances. Many people who try to manifest their ex wants to be in a relationship with them. But due to the past memories of hurt, they imagine, how will they insult their partner? Make their partner beg them for their attention. Do you even think this scene would be natural in a committed relationship? Do you even think this comes from a committed relationship? Or does it come from a place of breakup? Well, now you know why the people who are complaining about their ex-lovers are not getting any contact from that specific person. They are not living from the end. Even if they are imagining hugging their specific person while for the rest of the day in their mind they are cursing them, then they are living from the end state of heartbreak. There is a very popular story of mine where I manifested a hug from a specific person at a specific spot. When I used this imaginary scene, it happened within a matter of days. I was new to the law, but this happened quickly. Then, upon analysis, I figured out that the place I chose was a common spot and was near our houses. Also, I choose hugging as my imaginary act because I am comfortable doing it in open spaces. This was a perfect scene from the place of love. It was not like I read somewhere that some X, Y, and Z person used the imaginal act of hugging their specific person and got the result within a matter of days. I imagined this scene because I felt natural experiencing it. I was comfortable with it, and it came from a place of love for me. When I was reading articles and watching videos, some people had these stories of having a live-in relationship where they imagined staying with their partners. This concept of live-in is not very common for me, so I didn't imagine sleeping with them in my bedroom. It is a different story for me. Anyway, the right scene for you is the one that is natural for you to experience and is the one where you are comfortable doing it. It must be the one that gives you satisfaction and relief. So, always choose the scene that feels good to you. I cannot tell you what feels natural to you. I cannot give you the details about that scene. It is your desire, your experience, and your life. The scene too must be yours. So instead of asking someone else, just sit with yourself and try to create a scene and add details to it. It is a creative process, and you are a creative individual. If you are new to all of this, the scene you create might not be perfect from day one, but as you do it every day, you will add details to that scene. As it is your scene, you don't have to ask someone else about what should be added to it. You are an independent person. So, this is what is required of you when manifesting your desires. You can do it, it is not that hard. Just live by your imagined scene of having your desire, and move on with your day. Enjoy your life. With this, I hope you got the information you were seeking. Subscribe for more such videos. I will meet you with another golden nugget. Happy manifesting.